Robin? Robin? Robin, réveillez-vous. Robin? France Ferdinand?
Was daran?
Merde. Mon Dieu. Robin, ça va? Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé cette nuit?
Oh my God. My God. Oh, Sophie.
Préparez-vous. On part aujourd'hui.
Do I really have to go to Moscow?
Oui. C'est votre anniversaire de mariage, pensez à Sophie.
Sophie. Oh, my sweet wife. Yes, I will do it for her. Oh. Okay.
Jour 1825, 26 juin 2018. Le patient 1914 refuse toujours d'accepter qu'il n'est pas l'archiduc d'Autriche-Hongrie. Les derniers traitements n'ont rien donné. La confrontation avec les images de son décès ne provoque chez lui que des crises de panique et des pertes de mémoire. Je me tourne maintenant vers des solutions plus radicales, mais moins sûres et plus risquées. Nous sommes à 2 jours de l'anniversaire de la mort de Franz Ferdinand de Habsbourg-Est, né le 18 décembre 1863. Je vais donc l'emmener sur les lieux du meurtre et lui faire revivre les événements. L'exposer à son obsession provoquera chez lui, je l'espère, un retour brutal à la réalité.
But it's good, it's good. I like having a train out by myself. Yes, it's good. For the security, it's good. It's good.
On a le temps d'admirer le paysage.
Yes, there's so much nice things to see. Yes. Thank you so much for the trip. Thank you so much. Yes, it was really a good idea. Really good idea.
Je sais pas combien de tours on fait. On fait qu'un seul tour?
I don't know. I don't know. Sarajevo is quite far from the first stop. Oh, no. We continue. So, what does Sarajevo looks like? Do you know? Do you ever go to Sarajevo?
Non.
It's they have the same church. It's funny. But I'm not the Kaiser.
Yeah.
I'm still the Archduke.
Vous êtes l'archiduc. Vous êtes l'archiduc. Mais les gens vous aiment comme ça.
It's
On est presque arrivé.
It's a little cramped in here, but yes. Maybe I can go pee in the other wagon. Are you having fun?
Oh.
Ah.
Sarajevo. On va dormir dans un endroit que tu vas beaucoup aimer.
Thank you very much.
Oui, je t'assure.
So, where are we going now?
À l'hôtel.
Oh, an hostel. Oh, it was
Chauffeur.
on Pfeiffer. Oh,
Oui.
okay. Okay. You did good, you did good. You did good. Okay, where is the hotel? They make those pieces so large. Maybe the Bosnians are very tall. maybe the old people is very tall. It explains the height of the building, you know. Are you happy?
Yeah.
It's quite nice. It's quite. You make something so we could go incognito? Did you find something in private? Just the two of us? I enjoy being just among the people. Maybe I lost some weight. Unrecognizable for the Serbian spice. He's beginning to hurt. I think my natural charisma is making his way into their heads. Yes. Something is making me say that I should be foreign right now. Did you saw? Look at it. Another jewel into the crown of the empire. I don't like cramped place.
Je comprends pas pourquoi t'as toujours peur des petites rues. Je sais pas.
If we're just incognito, we could take a snack. Maybe some goulash. I think that's what they would do. Yeah, some goulash. So here, towards the mosque. I sit on my ass all day, but I'm just already tired. I'm tired every day. But here I feel alive. I feel awake. It's good. It was a very good idea. So, what do you want to take? It's good cuisine. Quite good. Want to taste? Oh. It's not what we eat at the Austrian salons, but do they have apples? Apples in here?
Pire.
Pear? Oh, pear.
Poire pour moi.
Oh, poire, like you said.
La promenade dans Sarajevo ne semble pas lui faire d'effet. Aucune réaction, mis à part un peu d'inquiétude, rien de prometteur. Nous allons donc devoir passer à la thérapie de choc.
Okay. The black hand could be everywhere. Maybe keep it in your. Oh. I mean.
Oui, movie.
A movie, yes. I don't get what he's saying. It's very. Why so many Chinese? It's my wife. It's my wife.
Your wife?
It's my wife.
Your wife?
Yes.
Flicker!
Very quick, very fast. This place is full of Syrian spice.
No.
You know, stay on your cart. Stay on your cart. Oh, c'est architecture. Such a modern people. I feel truly myself in this moment. In this moment, I am Franz Ferdinand.
Yeah.
And that's all that counts.
Oui. Vous vous sentez bien?
I feel very fine, actually. It's the first time in years. It's the first time in years. This is, I feel like I'm in Wonderland. Oh, see the attractions. It's a bit strange, there is no parade and you only have one car, two cars, but...
Les gens sont là pour vous.
Oh, you think?
Mon cher.
Well, they could get behind me and not in front, so I could keep moving. I should like every part of my empire. It is true. Well, when I will have it, I can't wait for Franz Joseph to just die off already.
Non.
It's funny, our car is very special.
Oui.
I mean, we should give them autonomy, but if they don't have troops,
Ne vous inquiétez pas, ils vont arriver. Ils vont arriver, mon cher.
I'm vulnerable. I'm too.
Non, justement, vous êtes l'empereur. Tout le monde vous aime.
I'm not the emperor yet. Oh,
For Sophie.
Yes,
thanks. Thank you. Ah. Well, it will go in the history books. It's quite a good ice cream. Yes.
Les gens vous aiment, regardez.
This one seemed nice, but this one seemed nice, but it was like I was in Vietnam.
Vous êtes en sécurité.
Always fake smiles. Every window is an opportunity to just end my life. Did you get what I mean? I should have taken care of this loud noise.
It's really good.
Maybe they have their own universal exposition, because this is really ahead of our time. I mean,
Quoi?
my mustache, is it still good?
Contrairement à la promenade, le moindre stimulus provoque chez l'archiduc une anxiété que je pense salvatrice.
What are you doing right now?
Rien.
Syrian spice?
Stop. Arrêtez. Je vous assure, il n'y a rien.
Why are we making a detour? It's happening again.
Non.
It's happening again. It can't be. If I die, it's chaos. It's chaos. It's chaos in here, and everywhere. Why are we along the river?
Franz est de plus en plus agité à mesure que nous remontons la rivière. Je le crois prêt à affronter son destin sordide.
Oh God.
Peut-être, une fois tué, son fantôme quittera le corps de mon patient.
Oh God. Alexis.
Allô?
What was that?
Ce n'était rien.
You can't say it was nothing. It was like very loud. Hello. This one was weird.
Robin, réveillez-vous.
Leave me alone. I'm dead.
Quand je suis arrivée à Sarajevo, je voulais débarrasser un individu de son affliction. Mais une fois dans la ville, entourée de ses habitants et de ses touristes, j'ai découvert que le syndrome Franz Ferdinand était une hystérie de masse. Une folie contagieuse, infectieuse, mais aussi une folie douce. Peut-être mon patient n'est-il pas si éloigné de la norme après tout? Peut-être. Sommes-nous tous égaux face à la folie?
Gott erhalte Franz den Kaiser, unseren guten Kaiser Franz, hoch als Herrscher, hoch als Weiser, steht er in des Ruhmes Glanz.